Good afternoon. Welcome at LBallet, the intermediate class. It is today Friday, so we do this class for the fourth time, this exercises. It's Friday, the 11th of December 2020. And because it's Friday, Gerard is behind the piano, so Paul is doing only all this technical stuff. And you see behind me Esme and Sanne. So welcome. Starting with the left leg today. Can you shift a little bit? Okay. And we go to the front. 3/4 foot, but the heel stays on the same spot. So you have to pull your toes backwards. And stretching, close on 2 legs. And to the side, 3/4, and stretch, and close. Only on the side of your big toe, and go. And stretch. Be aware of your supporting leg. Go to the front, passé par terre to the back, to the front, and close. Other leg, the same. Demi-plié, going up. Now be careful, the points of your elbows are staying downwards, so don't stretch your elbows, then I know your cambre is not right. To the side, going backward, coming back on 8, coming back on 4, holding 5, demi-plié 6, turning 7, 8, stretching the hamstrings. It's cold. I do not know where you live at home, but in Holland it's very cold now. So be careful with stretching. We are not warm till now. And relevé, going up, demi-plié. And ready. There we go. And 1. Coming to the front. 3/4. Out, close to the side, 1, 2, out, hip square, 1, 2, stretch the knee, yeah, holding, and passé, 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 and close, and lift yourself out of your supporting leg, up, to the side. Yes, only the side of your big toe. Go. Are you on the ball of the foot? Close and demi-plié over your feet and head to the left, away from the right. Open the shoulders. Go. Back on the 8th count and go, and 2, 3, back on 4, holding, lifting, demi-plié, turn, and 1, 2. Go further, yes, but be careful, and coming up, and hold your turn out, and coming up, and arms down, and take your legs going up, open to the sides, come, go higher, Sanne, yes, holding, yeah, there you go, plié. Yeah, don't fall. Yeah, you feel it, eh? Okay. The pliés, 2 grand pliés in each position. The first grand plié with the usual arm. The second one with the arm lifted. Use your head and going to second, to fourth, opposite fifth position, ending the last one. Relevé, port de bras to the front, going on to the back, open the arm to the side. You only start the bending of your back, your spine, when the arm is guiding you to the side. Opening, turning, other side. One bum bum be dee dum bum. There we go. Open your pelvis. And 1, 2, 3. It's an endless movement. Going. Hold your front end. And front and the 2 shoulders open. And 2, 3, going 4. Away from your supporting shoulder. Susu. And go 1, 2. Coming up, going on, up. And opening, and up. And go. Not towards yourself, but in the room. Détourner, demi-plié, and start again. 1. Going on in the movement is very big. And going on and the little fingers getting yourself up. Tendu. Yes, your head is right now, Esme. Relevé and go up. Yeah, fine. And yeah. Opening and fine, thank you. The bending sideward is not bending to yourself. It is not going back to you see? This is going back towards myself, but you have to go away, away. You see the difference? And I am sure you both can go further. Try it. Don't be too near to the bar. Okay. Now place your arm insert. Now your fingertips are pulling. And go, looking where you are going, not to yourself. Go on, go on, go on, go on, go on, go on. So, you see? Yeah, why don't you do it? You have this possibility, and you have time enough,